Welcome! In front of me I have Xlyne Siona XW Fit watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Xwear application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Xwear application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After the application opens, you should see the Today page. Now you can tap on the device icon right here in the top right corner, then tap on OK, and on the device page you should see your Siona watch. Tap on it to select it. Now find the option called Notifications and tap on it. If you don't have required permissions allowed for the notifications to work, you will see the warning message. Tap on the OK. It will redirect you to this page. Now find the Xwear application on the list, tap on it, tap on the switch next to Allow Notifications, tap on Allow, and once this option is enabled, you can go back, and now you should be able to turn on and turn off the notifications right here. You can turn on the notifications for calls, for example, and once you turn them on, you will need to allow required permissions, like that. SMS, again, you need to allow the permissions. Then you can enable the notifications for Facebook or Gmail, and you can also enable the notifications for other apps. If you tap on the arrow next to the other apps, it will open the list of applications on your phone. You can enable the notifications for specific apps right here. And also you will need to enable the other app option. And once you enable it and enable the notifications for specific apps right here, you'll be able to receive the notifications from them on your watch. Okay. And of course, once you're done, you should be able to receive the notifications at this point. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, we got the notification on our phone and also on our watch. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.